You don't experience this house all at once.
It reveals itself slowly through the architecture, the craftsmanship, and that is what makes it unforgettable. Space was never the challenge here. It was what to do with it. An acre that lives like a private park, a heated detached workshop built as an extension of the home itself. Space is designed for gathering, for entertaining, for escaping the world for a while. A theater, a wine cellar, a collector's gallery, a walkout level that feels like its own private retreat. It's all here, and now it can be yours. You'll forget most homes that you walk through. This won't be one of those.